Are you looking to get into the best engineering college? That's truly an amazing goal. As we are also dreaming for your bright future, we will help you get into the best engineering institute. Let's nail JEE together. I'll quickly start with introducing First Online University. First Online University is a next generation education platform with the mission of empowering students to build a lifelong career and stand out in the world. Our state-of-the-art online system and tech-fueled classrooms ensures you always stay miles ahead of the competition. So, if you are thinking of engineering and wants to get into an IIT, you are at the right place as we will help you get your seat at one of the best engineering institutes. Now the question is how we do that. So we at First Online University provide a one-stop solution for all the JEE exam preparation related needs and highly impactful resources to boost your prep journey. It's a personalized mentorship program scientifically designed at a very affordable price. Not only this, we will also provide 100% scholarship post selection. We have batches starting from class 8. So if you are in grade 8, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th or 12th pass out, you can enroll for JEE preparation program for a duration of 12 months or 24 months. Learners can choose the program which suits them best. Let's dig deeper into our success strategy. First Online University empowers students by providing interactive online classes for strong conceptual understanding with personalized mentor support to every student. At First Online University, learners get mentorship of the best faculty and dedicated doubt clearing sessions. The personal mentors are available 24/7 to help students with their queries. Moving ahead, students can get themselves tested with First Online University test series regularly. We provide unlimited mock tests and a dedicated performance analysis. With First Online University, you can start your JEE preparation journey where courses are designed by best faculty with years of experience and proven results. The courses are designed to take you from basics to advanced level and focus on each area of preparation for physics, chemistry, and mathematics. We believe in personalized learning because every student is different. Hence, students at First Online University will get access to personalized mentorship support to boost their preparation. It means a dedicated mentor will help in planning and strategizing to crack JEE and get top rank. By this time, I believe you know why you should choose First Online University. Yes, let me state it again. To get personalized preparation with mentor support, dedicated doubt session, comprehensive study material and ebook, unlimited sectional test and full-length test, 450 plus hours of program and video tutorials, 50 plus test discussion videos, and top JEE faculty for physics, chemistry, and mathematics. All these benefits we have made available to you at a very affordable price, as you can see on the screen, with a monthly payment option. Our program is running for a duration of 12 months and 24 months. Accordingly, students can pay interest-free monthly installments. With our technology and expertise, we are revolutionizing education by bringing affordability so that maximum students can be benefited and achieve their dreams. We are excited to have you as well in the list of achievers. Quickly taking you through what you will learn. Here, you can go through each and every topic which we will be simplifying for your understanding. Our expert faculty at First Online University will make you confident on each and every topic so that you can crack JEE. So start your prep journey with First Online University at a very affordable price and easy payment method. The yearly price of the course, which is for a duration of 12 months, is mentioned on the screen, which can be paid in monthly interest-free installments. Avail your free classes for 7 days. It's a win-win for you as we are holding you throughout this journey and striving for your success. Let me take you through the study plan as well. As you can see, you will have 2 classes in a day along with a dedicated doubt solving session. This will go from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, you will have 3 classes along with a doubt solving class. On Sunday, you'll go for a mock test and concept clearing session. With First Online University, you can choose a day for your monthly performance review as well. Take the first bold step towards your dream of getting into the best engineering college, and we will help you achieve it. So, what are you waiting for? Boost your JEE preparation with First Online University. Scan the QR code and fill out the details. Enroll now.